Okay, this is just a video on my magnetic stir plate I built, and I'm going to show you quickly how I built it, and I hope this helps you build your own if you decide to do so. Okay, I'm going to try and get this all in one shot. First I'm going to go get a screwdriver. Actually, first thing to do is turn it off, so I'm going to put the knob down. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to go get this out. Put that off here. I'm going to unplug the thing. Take this off. Set it aside. And now I'm going to try let's see if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. I'm gonna try and take this apart. Try and see if I can take this apart. Show the inside. Wrong side. There we go. I'm gonna use this screwdriver. Very handy. Gonna keep unscrewing it till you hear it thump. Like that. Check. Thump. Thump. Last one. Thump thump. So you lift off the case. Sometimes you're gonna have to loosen the screws more, but usually they are alright. And also, just let the screws out. Heck, put them off to the side, but where you need them. I hope you see this. Aside here is a potentiometer switch and but the fan modified it. There's a not real adapter that goes. We'll pin it down and grab or connect to this and some shrink wrap on this. These wires. These were now you sliced it off to now ease of ice. Just installation. Slice the wrap off and there was a little extra wire, yellow wire. I cut that off. And this fan right here, on the other side, there's a patch of sticky tape, double-sided mounting tape on the hub of the blades. And there are two magnets, two rare earth neodymium magnets mounted on the front of this fan. And the fan itself is actually mounted using 3 pieces on each corner of double-sided mounting tape. I just did that because I wanted it to be somewhat removable and, I didn't want to do too much to the box in case I want to use it for something else, so I made it kind of removable with this sticky tape. You might be able to see it, you might not. And it also helps cut back the noise from the fan. And I have a potentiometer and a switch. The switch is a typical toggle switch, and this is I think it's a 5,000 ohm, a 5K ohm potentiometer. What I was supposed to use is like a 25 ohm rheostat. I think that's what you call it. Radio Shack didn't have them at the time. Regular. And what I want that was just this is the fan Radio Shack, but had the only thing Shack has, the only thing in this this is that Radio Shack had, and if I can find that plug. Oh, by the plug, it's just a 12 volt DC wall wart. It's you can kind of see it there. It's 150 milliamps, but the fan itself is 160 milliamps, so it's it's a little small for the fan, but it gets the job done. So I'm just gonna turn it on and show you. Flip the switch up, turn the rheostat. See, I didn't want a fan with these blue LEDs in it because it's pointless, but that's all Radio Shack had at the time. But I can adjust it with this knob, this little potentiometer right there. Nice little knob I bought for it. 2. You can see that. It takes a little bit to turn it on. I guess this is too much resistor for this little fan, but it's what I could find, and that's all that matters. It's the smallest resistance I could find, so yeah. And how I wired it up is, okay, the positive wire with the pipe goes the positive to the fan, which is the white stripe off the straight to the fan. Right, negative wire it goes, and it doesn't have anything on it. The negative goes one to the switch, have anything, and it goes from switch. Okay, this goes from the positive goes straight to the fan. The negative goes down the switch, goes out the switch into the potentiometer, and from the potentiometer then it goes to the fan. And it works quite well, and I can show you the magnets I use. I got these from a ID badge my mother had. Just a rare earth magnet. It kind of popped off. This one's a stuck one, but it's pretty darn strong. And if I had the stir bar, for a stir bar right now, until I can get a real stir bar, I'm just using one of these magnetic connector toy thingies. That's the wrong pole. However, I began to notice that sometimes metal works better for some reason. So, depending on what I'm doing, I use metal. But yeah, there's really not much to it. You just need one of these wall transformers. There's a switch. You can skip a potentiometer if you really want. Not a basic guy. I'm not a basic sort of guy, so I had to make it a fan and a project. And some people can our box, but I didn't pick those on. I used to go to, I think, to allow me to have one up, so and nor they would allow. That's why the project box. And plus, I like to look at the use project box. It's really kind of professional looking. So I'm just gonna turn this bugger off and show you it in action. The switch takes some effort to turn off, though. It's like a ratcheting screwdriver. You gotta love it. As soon as ouch. jab myself with a screw. I kind of use this thing to stir my tea and whatnot, and it's really good with lemonade, like the powdered Country Time lemonade or whatever it's called, the pink stuff, or it comes in a can or a jar or something, like a plastic can. It's nice. It's good for that. Got a lot of some. We'll just let it run, and I've even blended soap with this, just for the heck of it. Oh, now it's okay, right together. Let me get a my so-called beaker liquid. It's just digital detergent and put a stir bar in, let it connect. And I'm going to switch it on, turn the rheostat a little bit. Should start going now. There we go. There we go. So yeah, that's just put this together yesterday, and most people, they build these things for brewing beer, like they get their yeast starters active or something. I don't know exactly what it does. I guess something with the yeast makes it grow better. But right now I'm just using it to mix drinks, and I want to maybe improve it a little bit and use it for chemistry. Like little experiments, or, you know, like I said, mixing my drinks or something like that. Because it's probably good if you want to put a glass of water on here and mix the Kool-Aid in. Then you can go and fix yourself some lunch while you're mixing Kool-Aid at the same time. Exactly. Of course, I don't. They do it. They drink Kool-Aid. So mix it up. I don't know how you just put it in, and makes a little vortex, and you can see it pretty nice. Vortex there. Usually, I run it at the speed. It normally throws the magnet. I guess as I added the detergent, the water's a bit thicker. But usually with just water in it, it would throw the magnet off and all around. But I guess it's doing all right with that. So okay, this has been a quick description of my homemade stir plate. Gonna let you watch it for a little bit. And as Nerd Rage would say, please subscribe, rate, and comment.